In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a learning portal in Glide. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to Glide's website by typing glidesapps.com into the address bar. This is where we'll access your app building environment. Once the Glide homepage loads, locate and click the Login button. This will take you to the login screen where you can access your existing projects. After logging in, open the specific app you wish to edit for your learning portal. This is the foundation for the new section we're about to add. On the left-hand side of your Glide editor, you'll see a navigation bar. Click the plus icon, labeled .add, to bring up the options for adding new elements to your app. A menu will appear. Select Courses as the data source. This tells Glide that this new section will be displaying information from your existing courses table. Now look at the right-hand sidebar. Here, you can choose a visual style for your new navigation item. Browse through the options and pick one that fits the aesthetic of your app. With your navigation item styled, it's time to add the content. On the left-hand sidebar again, click the Add Component button. From the component list that appears, select Add a Component. This is how you'll visually represent your courses within the portal. Finally, in the right-hand sidebar, configure the component you just added. You can customize its appearance, what information it displays, and how it behaves, tailoring it to your specific learning portal needs. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish in the top right corner of the screen to make your changes live. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.